I was good. Picking up Trilly right now to about to take him to the airport, drop him off.
100% yet. Has Stunner, like, where do they sell True Religions? And he said that they don't have them there. Got the white one now? Yeah, got my collection going up. But he said they don't sell them in Cahtel. I was like, what do you wear? Going home, going to Chicago, I'm going to London, then Joker, and then Cahtel, Miami, LA. Ooh, got the bees though. Like, shout out to Kid Chitty, like, gave me the bees. I was psyched. But then, like, I looked on the other side, and there was like no top for where the batteries go, and there were no batteries, and he didn't have the cord. So I had to find this cord in my house, and then, like, look what I put over the cover. Straight went hood with it, but it goes though. If I can make that tape like see-through, it'll go. That's all I need for my airplane. Some headphones, iPhone, iPad, and I'm good. Anyways, we out. See you at the airport. I was needing to call because I'll be traveling until August, and I just didn't want my card locked while I spend money there. To England, they're like, yeah, we definitely need your notification security thing for England. But South Africa, you can actually use your card. They're partnering with us. I was like, like,
I'm so Zimbabwe, 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 I'm so Zimbabwe,
Woke up this morning with like